Hello guys, today I'm gonna introduce the development process of a complex reporting system. We will talk about nine parts. Requirement, system agriculture diagram, template management. Now we see the first, the requirement. A requirement, this is a top use view of use case. The actor can add template, modify template, read template, and delete. This is template management. The required tools: user number one, print some data source, use template. So you see the use case diagram: print bill with template, read template, and fill. We will see system agriculture, system architecture, mobile app, respect, API, service, database. We use multi-layer architecture. You see the template management. Demonstrate template management. We use technology: SQL, Java Springboot background, vue.js frontend, SQL, template table. This is table. Template table. You see this. Password. See this. Java Springboot background CRUD. I have a tool to generate the Java Springboot source code. Generate. We through VBA to generate the Springboot code. Directory. You see this. Template controller. It generated controller. For example, save controller install. This is the interface, and the employment install, and it can generate the entry EO, VO, DTO. You see, we generate one file, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It generates 8 Java Springboot source code. This is Java. Let me see vue.js front-end demo. Vue front and demo transreport component. This is save, create new, do post. It's vue. We use sequence diagram. After install, add, create new template. Use this sequence diagram. We see data source type, and example, single table, one-to mailing table, purchase order entities, package box list. For example, student name list, classes name list. It is a single table. One-to mailing means purchase order entities. There are two type data source. You will see this Swagger IPA document. Document we use Swagger. Swagger means this Swagger. Let me see Swagger. Controller. You will see the controller source, constant automation operation, Swagger controller management, translate. This is Swagger. You can write it in English or other languages. IPL operation, value, nodes. You can see any, you can write it in any language, but the function is installed. This is only description. So you see the Swagger. This is Swagger. You can write it in any language. In the international, you will be writing it in English. So we see this. This is Swagger. When we see the content complex report, how to fill it at Excel demo. Step 1, read the template like this template, and step 2, copy template to the banner rows, Excel banner rows. This is a single table. You'll see header, barcode number, header, barcode number, item name, item number, item short number, others, item name. You will see this is equal. Only the field names, item number, the keywords is at header dash item number at. This is a keyword. So when you replace the keyword, use the data source, it will generate like this, replace like this. So we see the source, how to finish it, in software. No token, John 53638. Okay. You see this noisy. You see this template. We see template. You see template number, template name, template description, template description, return file type, PDF or Excel. PDF, when we set PDF, the data source return a stream, a file stream to client. The template rows, templates total columns, template header rows, template has entities. This is no, this is has, none. It's very important. Template paper size. You will see you can download template. You can download the template. Download the template. This is template. You can write Arab language. You can write English. You can write and others. Stock name. This is template. We see this. There's a template. We can use this template to fill complex report. We return this print preview. Oh, the debugger has a breakpoint. Yes, continue. This is preview. Preview this. And others, we can say template, and other field. For example, delivery bills. Delivery bills is very complex report. Simple report, you can write it. If you want to have a source code, you can send me email, and I get your source code. Thanks.